Yeah, so to reiterate again, the first step is to set up a job. To set up, we created a trash item job, and then everything that will happen will be inside the undo method. Um, Let me import this time. Since we copy this, doesn't have a. Alright, so here we set up that between now and last 1 minute, find item that has been trashed between them, and then look through the items, delete them, first delete them, and send an email if there are any items that are available to be deleted. So after doing this, we set up a CRON job, a Linux CRON job. We edited our CRON where we would reference the absolute path of PHP installation on our system to run PHP artisan schedule run, right? To find the absolute path of PHP on your system, just run PHP, that's it. That's what it is on my own system. And every minute, it will be running the command. And once every minute, what that does is comes to it runs console the kernel of PHP, runs the schedule for the kernel of PHP, define application command schedule, and then all the commands that are here, you can add as many as possible. All the commands that are here, it's going to call them. So we are saying every minute, check every minute, trash item, run the trash item job every minute. So what this does is dispatches the job onto the queue. So in our own settings, go to your config, the queue.php. Our queue driver here is sync driver sync. But in our own case, we won't be using sync. We'll be setting up Redis, using Redis for our queue driver. So go to your env, queue driver, change to Redis. And it's Redis ports. Remember, every time you change a value from the env, you have to like restart the application. Now, if you are using Redis, that means you could actually use file or anything, but if you are using Redis, that means you need to have the Redis CLI already installed. If you don't have it already installed, if you call Redis CLI, it returns this. If you don't have it already installed, that means you need to install Redis on your machine, the Redis CLI on your machine, and then you need to start the Redis CLI on your machine. So that's what you have to do. So once we do this, once we have this running back, we need to run PHP artisan queue listening. Let's see. One 43. So we have 144 here now. Once 145, this should go. It's not 2 minutes now. Let's hold on for a minute. It should go and then let's hold on for some time. Let me confirm if this is still on. Yeah, Q is still on. So SVC is 146. So would not be working on it if it's not troubleshooted. It is not deleting. What is that? Let me see what's wrong and troubleshoot it. So I've been able to troubleshoot the error, and this is what I found out. Where we've been logging the output of the command, it's showing class jobs datetime not found. We already fixed that earlier, and then jobs new not found, and then lastly class pretty strength not found. So actually we were supposed to run composer require praise ready. Since we're using ready, we're supposed to require this package. While we are at that, let's fix this. Let's import the mail class here. So it eliminates support facade mail. To get all the code for this project, you can always get ebook, beginning PHP Laravel, steps or approach to building an inventory app, or the paper cover. You can always get it on Amazon. Cost the book costs $10 and the paper cover costs $15. It covers more in depth on everything that we've touched, and you can always have access to the code there. You're unable to follow through. If you follow through and you are missing some things, you can always drop a comment or get this book. And if you happen to get a book, I would appreciate if you drop a review to let me know what you think about the book. While we wait for this to install, I would again pause the video for a moment. Alright, so the Predis package for Laravel has been installed. Now this should work, so go back to reserve the app, and then go ahead to run PHP listing. Now you see that even worked. So let's see. So let's wait. This is still 159. Let's wait till about 160. Let's wait 160, see what happens. So while we wait, let's see, these were the previous one I tested just 2 minutes ago. Now it's sending notification already. I was seeing what was wrong. So let's see. Oh, okay. See now 2 minutes. Let's wait till 201. But then it works now. Just follow those steps. This was the last email that was sent. That was 2 minutes ago. Since this one click on view trash here. It opens trash. So yeah, that's cleared the item in trash now. See. Yeah, this is it. This is the notification I was sent a few seconds ago. Yeah, this is it. So this is all to this tutorial. So in this tutorial I've been able to, I hope I've been able to show you how to do a lot of things in Laravel, how to create, update, read and delete, how to send emails, how to run background jobs, soft delete, and dependency injection. So we won't be doing edit profile, change password. I'll give you that as a challenge to do yourself. Edit profile, change password, do that, and then see what comes up. Again, this tutorial is an excerpt of this book, Beginning PHP Laravel, Step-to-Step Approach to Building an Inventory App. Do also get a copy on Amazon. There is a Kindle version, there is a paperback. I explain more and deep detail, so you can have access to the code once you get the book. And if you have any question, also do also drop a comment. And if you get to purchase the book, I would love and appreciate your review. All right. Thanks.